हेलो दोस्तों, तो स्वागत है आपका मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल नाम बेरोजगार स्किल में। आज हम जिस विषय के बारे में बात करेंगे वो है हाल ही में मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कॉमर्स ने नेशनल स्टार्टअप अवार्ड्स 2020 दिए हैं। तो जिन जिन को ये अवार्ड्स मिले हैं आज हम टोटल जानकारी उसके बारे में बात करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। कोऑर्डिनेटेड बाय द डिपार्टमेंट फॉर प्रमोशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्री एंड इंटरनल ट्रेड DPIIT has conceived the National Startup Award of recognize the startups. And what about the aim of Startup India Award 2020? This is the reward outstanding startups and ecosystem enablers that are building innovative products or solutions and scalable enterprises. These startups have high potential of employment generation or wealth creation, demonstrating measurable social impact. The measurable of success is not only the financial gain for the investors but also the contribution to social good. Now talk about a focus. Apart from these, startups are to be selected from those who create impact in rural areas, are women-led and founded in academic campuses. A total of 1641 applications were received from startups spread across 23 states and 4 union territories. These applicants included 654 women-led, 165 academic institutions based on 331 startups working in rural areas. 12 broad sectors are identified under this award. These 12 sectors are agriculture, education, enterprise, technology, energy, finance, food, health, industry, space, security, tourism, and urban service. Evolution category. All applicants were evaluated against 6 brand parameters, namely innovations, scalability, economic impact, social impact, environmental impact, and inclusiveness and diversity. And prize, the winning startup will get cash prize of rupees 5 lakh each, along with opportunities to present their solutions to relevant public authorities and cooperate for potential pilot project and work orders. A key building block of a robust startup ecosystem, one exceptional incubator and accelerator each will get a cash prize of rupees 15 lakh. Now talk about a winner. First, agriculture. So in agriculture section, in productivity, Nava Design and Innovation Private Limited, Kerala. Their robotic coconut sap taping device SAPER is powered by solar energy. Reduce the number of human tree climbs from 270 to just 2 times in a period of 3 months. The device and process has been patented in 28 countries, covering more than 90% of coconut growing area of the world. Second, agriculture post-harvest. Intello Lab Private Limited, Delhi. Intello Labs has digitalized food quality assessments across fresh produce supply chain with their Intello Track smartphone app. Allow people to stay healthier by buying fresh food and also help stores cycle out of old stock. Third is agriculture, farmer engagement and education. Mandya Organic Food Private Limited, Karnataka, owns and operates 7 organic farm supermarkets, created 320 organic farmer self-help group in 300 villages and 270 women's kitchen garden groups. Impacted 12,000 farmer families. Fourth one is agriculture elite areas. Cornext Agri Product Private Limited, Telangana, addresses the green fodder shortage in India by preserving green fodder when available in the form of silage. Has produced and distributed up to 1 lakh metric ton of baled silage. The mini silage baler has a daily production capacity of 20 metric ton, equivalent to 2,000 animal ration per day. We talk about the award in education section. The first one is Access to institutional education. Robert Guru Education Technologies Private Limited, Karnataka, seeks to teach robotics to students in an integrated manner using motion captured suits and virtual reality. The 360-degree viewing angle in VR allow for valuable insights while learning. Can also be used as an effective teaching method for kids with the learning disabilities. Second one is access to open education. Kickhead Software Private Limited, Delhi. Government Job Adda is a platform for a student to read up on a current affair or answer mock test for all kind of government exams. Draws in close to 1500 student every day, 500 new registration daily, over 13,000 downloads in the first month of the app launching. Now we talk award who got in energy section. The first one is Alloy E-Cell Private Limited, Uttar Pradesh. World first 100% eco-friendly and non-hazardous 1.5 volt AA size batteries aims for a 71.6% reduction in environment pollution caused by the usage of batteries, will save the Indian economy USD 109 billion every year on dry cell raw material. The second one is energy efficiency में Isyasoft Technology Private Limited, Karnataka, provides smart grid IoT solutions and advanced analytics for public utilities like energy, water and gas, currently catering to 1 million consumers in India, deployed in smart metering projects in Indore, increasing billing efficiency by 22%. The next one is Enterprise Technologies. And who got a award in Enterprise Technology is Unnati Online Private Limited, Gurgaon, Haryana. Automated voice-enabled digital assistant that aid informal sector worker in finding job opportunities. 10 lakh job opportunities provided over the last 2 years, impacted over 1.5 crore workers across India. On an average, workers are able to get a 20% increase in wages through Unnati. The next one is finance. And the award who got in finance is Resilient Innovations Private Limited, Delhi. Their app Bharat Pay is empowering entrepreneurship by enabling them to accept UPI payment from any app, enables acceptance of UPI payment from SMB merchants from over 150 payment app in India, processing over 50% of offline UPI P2M transactions. Now talk about food in the category of food. In food, the access of food is Food Cloud Private Limited, Delhi. Food Cloud is a marketplace for home food with verified home chef in Delhi, Kolkata and Mumbai, expanding with over 3,500 chefs currently, successfully delivered over 5 lakh meals. About 80% of registered home chefs are women. The second one is food processing is God's Own Food Solution Private Limited, Kerala. Jackfruit365.com look to streamline the market for India. Jackfruits has created clinically proven solutions to control blood sugar and reduced chemotoxicity. 996 out of 1000 diabetes patients showing significant blood sugar reduction in 19 days. In health sector, access to healthcare. Wealthy Therapeutics Private Limited, Maharashtra, a smartphone app that enables self-monitoring of type 2 diabetes, hypertension, heart failure, etc. The platform has integrated electronic medical reports, aims to ensure financial protection to 50 crore Indians with national healthcare insurance. Second one is Nirmai Health Analytics Private Limited, Karnataka, has deployed an accurate, affordable solution for detecting early-stage breast cancer using artificial intelligence. The Nirmai test is 10 times less expensive than current mammography method. Nirmai has screened over 25,000 women in 12 states. The startup has 70% female workforces. The another one is Bonu Life Science Private Limited developed a manufacturing platform for topical thin film as an alternative to traditional ornaments, creams, gel, etc. The film is made from cost-effective polymers, can be used to deliver vitamins, minerals, and supplements for armed force, sports personnel, women, and children. And the last one is Innovation Medical Device Private Limited. The voice prosthesis device enable throat cancer patients who have lost their voice box to speak again. They also train surgeons and are setting up AI trainings. Innovation aim to reach 140 countries with their device. In industry sector, Aptaimi Tech Private Limited, Karnataka, tweaks artificial intelligence for the needs of plant engineers. Can learn and update model over time and handle complex equipments. Can detect mechanical and process degradations. Second one is Minion Labs India Private Limited, Karnataka, using machine learning and AI to derive actionable insights. They bring about massive saving in electricity bills, currently used to monitor over 1 lakh assets in real time, enable energy transparency and energy saving up to 30%. And the another in 3D printing section, Fabheads Automation Private Limited, Tamil Nadu, designed and manufactured a new series of 3D printer FIVR boards which use carbon fiber as a printing material instead of plastic or metal. Asia's first and only company with this capability. Other is Scapic Innovations Private Limited, Karnataka, offer aid with the design and production of 3D asset for an enterprises, provide analytics, security and privacy control built for scale. Their XR experiences are optimized for a variety of end consumer device ranging from laptops to smartphones to smart glasses and more. In robotics section, Planins Technology Private Limited specializes in smart underwater inspection solution, offer HD videography, GPS mapping, ultrasonic thickness inspection and acoustic surveys. Has launched 4 products and completed over 70 projects over the last 4 years. And the another version is Gingermind Technology Private Limited, built AI powered smartphone app and wearable to help the visually impaired. Has impacted over 40,000 people in India and 70,000 people around the globe, spread across 160 countries. Their product ID helps users read over 1.5 lakh pages every month. Now we talk about awards in security section. In the security section is STAQU, STAQ Technology Private Limited. STAQ is a helping policy force across an Indian state digitize and archive every criminal record. Speaker identification technology SIAN can identify speakers with 94.3% accuracy. Only a 3 to 5 second voice sample is required. Another one is Lucidius Tech Private Limited. SAFE offers cyber risk quantification, providing real-time cyber risk assessment. It can accommodate over 1 lakh nodes or connection at once. Built and tech stack that use a relational database management system. Now in space, first one is Skyroot Aerospace Private Limited. The Vikram launch vehicle, when operational, is expected to be one of the most cost-effective small satellite launch vehicle in the world. In developing a highly efficient LNGOLX cryogenic liquid engine that uses greener, more sustainable rocket fuel. Upper stage liquid engine are fully 3D printed, cutting cost by 40%. And another one in space is Dhruv Space Private Limited, Telangana. Their space tech could enable 108 countries with no space asset to have satellite in space. plan on setting up assembly, integration and testing ATT facility for manufacturing of satellite in India. Another one is Bellatrix Aerospace Private Limited, Karnataka, pioneering the development of fully reusable micro-launch vehicle Chetak capable of ferrying 200 kg payload to space. Bellatrix has high-performance green propellants, hydroxyl ammonia nitrate HN over 30% higher performance. Their advanced electric propulsion system offer 10 times more fuel efficient and 3 times more payload carrying capacity and 2 times reduction in mission cost. Now we talk in tourism sector. In the tourism sector is Fee Insta Consulting and Service Private Limited Award. Offer hospitality service like smart e-toilets to smart nap zones. Features like automated toilet seat with human body sensor, touch-free and waterless urinal etc. help improve public hygienics. Smart nap zones allow travelers to book a sleeping cabin. And the second one is Param People Infotech Solution Private Limited. Highway Delight is a digitally connected highway wayside amenities platform enabling tourists to plan their trips better. Cover more than 60,000 kilometers of highway pan India. Cover more than 100 facility across categories. Now we talk in urban sector. The first one is SNPC Machines Private Limited, Haryana, one of the fastest growing companies in the brick industry globally. The mobile brick making machines produced around 12,000 bricks per hour with a 45% reduction in production cost. And the second one is Vigdrite Adventure Service Private Limited, bounce of keyless, dockless shared mobility solution with a mission to make daily commute convenient and reliable. Clock more than 120,000 ride per day. Has impacted the life of 2.5 million users since its launch. Claimed to be one of the fastest growing bike sharing startup globally. And another one is Sukriti Social Foundation Delhi developed a smart public toilet, Eco Mitra, which is a solar powered but also has manual flush system as a backup. No physically sensors are present, reducing damage, and water is treated and used for flushing the toilet. And another one is Tara Altech Solutions Private Limited, Maharashtra. Their product Tara Altech reactor can be retrofitted to bowel head pumps to provide safe water. Impacted the lives the close of 500,000 people in India with a one-time fitting. It ensured 99% microbial decontamination of eliminate waterborne disease. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like this video. So please subscribe, share and comment. Thanks.